Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the phone meets two practical requirements: battery above 50% and at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of free space. This prevents mid-update failures. Once done, turn on Wi-Fi and confirm you have a steady connection, or prepare a PC with Samsung's Smart Switch as a fallback. You'll also back up important data now, photos and messages, so you can restore if the update stops midway. This step avoids data loss and speeds recovery. You now perform the actual update. First, go to Settings, Software Update, Download and Install. Let the phone fetch the package. If that fails, reboot into Safe Mode to prevent apps from blocking installation and try again. Safe Mode isolates third-party interference. If the phone still refuses, connect it to a PC and open Smart Switch, back up your device, then choose Update. Smart Switch uses a stable desktop download and often succeeds where OTA fails because it sidesteps. You finish by letting the phone reboot fully and then confirm the Android and One UI versions in Settings. Make sure apps update and storage is healthy. This completes the process and restores normal performance. If the device gets stuck on the logo or the update fails repeatedly, clear the cache partition via recovery mode first and only then consider a factory reset as a last resort. If errors persist, note any error code and contact Samsung support for targeted assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.